How to buy PepeCorp token. So this token is on pre-sale. As you can see in this page, you can buy this token. So how to do that? By going here in USD you pay. So in this box you can type how much you want to buy of USD, and here you will be able to see how much you receive or expected to receive coins of that token. Now after that, what you need to do, as you can see, click on buy now. Now what you need to do, choose a payment method. If you want to choose this payment method, the Ethereum base, and as you can see the other comparable networks, or you can pay with Solana or Bitcoin. So choose one of these. I will select the first one. As you can see, they show you this instruction to go in and buy the token to secure a payment. As you can see, when you send funds to the pre-sale wallets, you will automatically receive the coins in your wallet after the transaction is confirmed. So it is used to receive tokens of Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain or Base or Avalanche or Arbitrum, as you can see. So what you need to do, first of all, now copy the assets from here, as you can see. Now what you need to do, it's by going to your wallet to send that 1000 USDT or USD to that address. So what you need to do, just select the network from here. First of all, I will select the Ethereum. Now as you can see, I will select the USDT, and as you can see, select the send. Now you need to receive address. Now press on it here. As you can see, the transfer amount, just type 1000, and now the gas fee, as you can see. Now click on next. Here, because I don't have any funds, so after you click on next, you will be able to send that amount to that address. So after they receive it, they will send you that amount of tokens. So this is how to buy PepeCorp. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.